Hey guys, how y'all doing? And welcome back to the channel. My name's David and I fix RVs. And today what I'm going to be working on is yet another water heater. I'm actually not going to show that in the video just because I've shown you guys so many water heater videos. But this RV is actually, it's kind of like a multi-day project. I'm going to give you a quick tour of what I'm going to be doing here. Now this particular customer has actually found me on YouTube. He watched one of my Gerard tankless water heater videos, and he said that as soon as I said endless hot water, he called me. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. I'm going to take this water heater out of here. This water heater does work. I've already tested it, and we will install a Gerard tankless. I'll show you what else we're doing here. Or that's my new water heater and my new door there. And then after that, this will probably be in another video, I'm going to put this electric tongue jack in up at the front of the RV. Now this is the existing setup here. He's got one of the hand cranks on it. So we're going to drop an electric in there, and one of his buddies is actually at the store right now picking up a couple of batteries for me. This thing had two 6-volt golf cart batteries, and I'm pretty sure he's just picking the same thing up. We'll put the same batteries back in. But yeah, so I'm put some new batteries in there, put a new tongue jack on there, and besides the water heater, there is one other thing. So in the bathroom in here, this floor is very squishy, like all over, really squishy. We hooked up water, and I've checked for leaks, and I couldn't find any leaks in here. But yeah, so I'm gonna have to pull that toilet out of there, possibly this cabinet. I'm gonna try to do it without pulling that cabinet, but if the floor is squishy under that cabinet will have to come out too. But I'm gonna save this bathroom for last. And when I first got here to test the appliances, I tried to light this oven over here, and I could hear the gas running, but it wouldn't ignite. And so I put my gas pressure regulator on there, and it was around 9.5 inches of water column. So I went out to the pressure regulator and turned it up to 11, and now this gas stove is working again. I don't know if that's going to hold up, though. It's possible I could be called back to install a new pressure regulator. We will see. This is the pressure regulator that I use for testing pressure in RVs. Basically, you just want to get it to somewhere in that blue area, and it was, way down there. So I don't know if you can actually see the flame on camera, but she's burning blue. Alright, that's going to do it for my little update video. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys like these kind of videos. I know you didn't get to see me do anything at all. Next week I will be installing the electric tongue jack as well as the two 6-volt golf cart batteries in series. So if you want to actually see me do that, if you want to see me do some actual work, be sure to tune in next week. Thanks for watching, guys.